Hello there, math learners. Welcome back to my video. So for this video, this is just a continuation of the types of commission. So this is the third type of commission, which is salary plus commission. So when we say salary plus commission, this commission is added on the top of the basic salary of an employee and usually calculated as a percentage of the sales generated by the employee. So, so for this commission, may fixed salary ka na, may plus commission rate ka pa or sa benta mo. So, meaning to say, kahit zero benta ka na, may sahod ka pa rin. So, therefore, this is better to a salesperson. Okay, so we have here the formula. So the formula for our salary plus commission, we have total earnings is equal to basic salary plus commission is equal to basic salary plus sales times the commission rate. Okay, so let's apply this formula to our example. So our example here, we have Leslie has a basic salary of 18,000 and receive 6% commission on sales. In a certain month, he sells 150,000 worth of various products. So what is his total earnings on that month? So to solve that, let's get the given. Okay, let's get the given first. So we have here the basic monthly salary. We have here the basic monthly salary of Leslie, which is 18,000. Okay. Next is the total sales. What is the total sales? We have 150,000. 150,000. And for the commission rate of 6%. Okay. And let's also convert this 6% to decimal, and that is 0.06. So for the computation, let's apply this formula here. Okay. So we have total earnings. Total earnings is equal to, we have the basic salary. So the basic salary of Leslie is 18,000. Okay. Plus the sales, the total sales, which is 150,000 times to the commission rate, which is 0.06. Okay. Then let's bring down first the 18,000. Then plus. So let's multiply 150,000 and 0.06. So that will give us 9,000. Then to get the total earnings of Leslie, we will add 18,000 plus 9,000, and that will give us 27,000. So therefore, Leslie will receive a total of 27,000 on that month. Okay? Now let's proceed to the fourth type of commission, and that is draw against commission. So this is a commission structure where an employee receives an advance payment. So it is called draw. That is offset against future earned commissions. So here, for this commission, para siyang advance or pautang sa sarili mong commission. So bibigyan ka muna ng fix na pera every month or advance, and then sa end ng month, ibabawas yon sa kinita mong commission. Okay. So, for our formula, we have here pay due is equal to commission earned minus draw is equal to, we have the sales times the commission rate minus draw. Okay? So, let's apply this formula for our example. So, in our example, we have here Mr. Marco Leita receives a monthly draw of 20,000. He also earns 5% commission on the total sales of the company's product. In 1 month, he sold products worth 350,000. How much will he receive on that month? Okay? So, first thing to do is to, of course, dapat kuhanin natin yung mga given. Okay, so for our given, we have the draw or yung advance niya na how many? We have the draw of 20,000. So we have here 20,000. Next, we also have the commission rate. Commission rate. So for the commission rate, we have 5%. Then let's convert 5% to decimal. That is 0.05. Then we also have the total sales. Total sales of 350,000. So we have 350,000 pesos. So for the computation, let's apply this formula. Okay. So we have pay due is equal to, first we have the sales, which is 350,000. Then times the commission rate, which is 0.05, minus to the draw, which is 20,000. Okay, so let's multiply first the 350,000 times 0.05, and that is 17,500 minus 20,000. Okay, and it will give us for our final answer of 17,500 minus 20,000 is negative 2,500. So, meaning to say, pag negative ang result, wala kang makukuha. So, since yung final answer natin is negative 2,500, si Marco Leita, wala siyang makukuha for this month or for that month. Okay? So, this negative 2,500 or this 2,500 ay madideduct pa sa kanyang sahod by the next month. Okay? Now, let's proceed to the last type of commission, and that is override commission. So this commission is awarded to a supervisor or manager, and the amount depends on a percentage share of the total sales made by their subordinates or team. So for this commission, this is only to manager or supervisor. So hindi siya nagbebenta, hindi siya nagbebenta mismo, pero kumikita siya ng percentage sa benta ng kanyang team or subordinates. Okay, so parang bonus sa kanyang pamumuno. Okay, so for the formula, we have the override commission is equal to the total sales times the override. rate. Okay, so let's have our example. For our example, Earl is a real estate area manager and earns an override of 3% from his team's sales. This month, his team sold 3 condominium units worth of 4,500,000 pesos. How much is Earl's override commission? Okay, so let's get the given first. So for our given, we have the total sales of 4,500,000. So we have here. Next given, we also have the override rate. So for the override rate, we have here 3%. Then let's convert this into decimal 0.03. And then let's compute. So let's apply this formula here. All you have to do is to multiply. So we have override commission is equal to total sales, which is 4,500,000 times the override rate, which is 0.03. And just multiply to get the answer. So the answer is 135,000 pesos. So therefore, si Earl ay may override commission na 135,000 pesos. Okay? So that's all for this video. So this is the last part of the types of commission. So again, we have 5 types of commission. So first, we have the straight commission. Second, we have the graduated or tiered commission. Third, we have here the salary plus commission. Okay, we have your salary plus commission. Fourth, we have the draw against commission. And for the last one, we have the override commission. So if you have questions or clarification with the types of commission, don't forget to comment. And of course, subscribe na din sa ating channel. Okay, so don't forget also to share and like our video. So that's all. I hope may natutunan kayo.